Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student. She's gonna be taking her driving test in about an hour. The DMV opens in an hour. She's been practicing. She's doing pretty well. Um, they're gonna ask you if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Turn it left, away from the curb. Put your car in park, pull up your parking brake, and then turn the engine off.
Okay, cool. Then they're gonna ask you to do the turn signal. So go ahead, signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. Alright, so they're doing all of that to make sure that the turn signal lights are working, the horn's working, the brake lights are working. Now they're doing this additional thing that I've never put this in any video, but I figure I need to. They're asking you to turn the steering wheel left. Go ahead, turn the wheel left. And what they're doing, they're checking to make sure that your tires are good, right? And then they say turn right again. And they're checking to make sure that the tires are good. So when they tell you to turn, make sure you put the car back straight. You know what I mean? Because if you try to reverse with the wheel turn like that, it can mess you up. So make sure your wheel is straight before you start backing out. Now, they're going to get into the car. They're going to tell you to reverse and go to the left. So put the car in reverse, look behind you, and go straight back. And see what I was telling you? Make sure it's straight. So you turn twice, so you make sure you turn twice back. When your mirror gets to the end of the line, then you're going to stop. Turn all the way left, stop here. Turn all the way left, left. You're going left, so you turn all the way right. Yeah. And look behind you. And stop about there. Put it back in drive. We're gonna go to the stop sign and make a left turn. Straighten up in the right lane and make a left. So they're gonna, when they tell you to make a left or right, you make sure you signal. So signal left. Alright, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna go down to the end of the road here, and we're going to make a left turn at the stop sign. So signal left. Again, make sure you signal every time, otherwise you're going to be losing 4 points.
4 points? Never that 0.
You lose 4 points every time that you don't signal. So make sure you signal each and every time. You don't want to get any extra points for no reason. I go down to the stop sign and we're making a left turn. Well, there's not a stop sign. Go down to the end of this thing and make a left by the garbage cans. And then we're going to make a right turn. Remember, the speed limit in here is about maximum 15. So I would say between 5 and 10. Make a right turn here. Just do it slow. And then when you go around this corner, they're going to tell you to stop and straighten. So straighten the wheel. They're going to tell you to stop like about here. And then the next thing they're going to ask you to do is speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop, right? So wait for these people to get out of the way. And speed up to 20, sudden stop. And stop. Okay, that's cool. Now reverse straight back, look behind you, and just let it roll. No gas, nothing, just let it roll. About here, you will stop. Cool. Put it back in drive. We're gonna go around the corner there, and we're gonna do the parking and the 3-point turn and all that. So signal left. No. Well, yeah, go ahead. He's just waiting for you though. Stay in the right lane. Right, straighten up close to the right side. We're gonna park in between these cones. So you're gonna signal left and and turn the wheel all the way left. And then roll into the space. As soon as you get to the middle of the space, you're gonna straighten up, no rush, nice and easy. And straighten the wheel and stop. Cool. Reverse. Keep the wheel straight as you back out. When your mirror past the cone, you're going to turn all the way right, all the way right, right, all the way right. And then back up some more until your mirror is past the middle line. To the middle. When your mirror is past the middle line there, you stop, put it back in drive. Signal left, turn left. Alright, so we're going to stay close to the right side. And then we're going to do the 3-point turn. So stay close to the right, straighten up. And about here, they'll tell you to stop. And you do the 3-point turn. So signal left, turn all the way left. And you're going to stop before you hit the curb. Stop there. Put it back in reverse. Put it in reverse, turn all the way right. Up behind. And again, as soon as the mirror is past the middle, you stop like about there. Put the car back in drive. Signal left again and turn all the way left. Turn the wheel, signal left. And remember, if you don't signal, you're losing 4 points. So make sure you signal every single time. Alright, straighten the wheel. Make a left at the stop sign. Into a complete stop here. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you go into your right lane. And we're going to go all the way down. And basically we're going back to where we started. Look at that dude. So we're gonna go around the corner and then we're going to make a quick left. So signal, slow down. Make another left right here. Straighten up here. And then we're gonna park on the left side. So signal left. Line up your mirror, go up just a touch more. And turn all the way left. Nice and easy, no gas, just let it roll. I need to press a little bit. And straighten the wheel. Straighten it almost, yeah, right there. And stop. Put it in park. Alright, cool. How do you think you did?
I did alright, I guess.
Hold on. You did alright?
Yeah.
That's it? That's alright?
I did.
You think you would pass?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, she's doing what she needs to do to pass the test. I'm pretty sure she's gonna pass. We're gonna run through it one more time and then we're gonna call it a day. But she's practiced enough. She knows what to do and I'm pretty sure she'll do it. So, since I have not begged you guys to subscribe to the channel yet, I'm gonna ask you please to subscribe. Share the channel with your friends. Tell everyone about the channel. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post my next video. Alright, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.